Hi guys, it's Afreen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got few liquid lipsticks to be reviewed and they are from Chambord. Well, I've been using Chambord products from past 4 years and I've been truly loving them. So let's get started. These liquid lipsticks come in a very classy packaging. Like you get it in a cardboard box and then the tubes look really very cute. I have 3 shades to be reviewed today, and let me tell you that if you look at these liquid lipsticks from the packaging, you won't really recognize what shade it is because they all look similar in the tubes, but then in real, if you really swatch it and all, you'll get to know the true color. So let me tell you the price of it. It is for rupees 845 and it says that it's a long lasting lipstick. It's transfer proof liquid lipstick with a smooth sensorial feel and a creamy matte finish, which is really true. Its extreme coverage provides a deep intense color in just one shade. Again, this is true. Let me tell you the shades. I have 3 shades. It's 405, 482 and 436. Tell you about the packaging. Well, I really like this packaging. It is nice and sturdy. Very nice wand. As you can see, it is very easy to apply, and then it smells good. I mean, again, it's a nice vanilla kind of smell, which is not very strong, and then it also disappears after some time, so fragrance is not an issue. These liquid lipsticks are really long lasting. Like you just have to apply it once in the morning, it stays all day. And I have also noticed that these liquid lipsticks does not transfer at all, so that's a great deal. I'll just swatch it and show you the shade 405. They are really very pigmented. As you can see, it's really nice. It's shade 405. 405 is a nice plummy shade, you can say. I mean, sort of plum, and I'm wearing it right now. As you can see, this looks really nice, especially on whites. On some people it may look a kind of purple with pink undertones, but on me it looks a little bit of plummish, which is why I love it. And then the next shade is 482. 482 is let me just swatch and show it to you. This one is 482. 482 is a kind of muted brown, which may look pink on some people, but on me it looks more of a mauvey brown. And then you can wear it on daily basis, or if you don't want your lips to look really popped up, you can just go for this liquid lipstick. It is really nice. And then is my favorite liquid lipstick here. It is in the shade 436. I love it. The way it settles and then the way it looks is really amazing. It's a brick red kind of, which after settling it looks like a dark bricky shade, which will suit everybody. Like it will suit anybody on this earth and gives a really nice look. So these are the 3 liquid lipsticks that I'm loving these days, and out of these 3, 436 is my really very favorite. I'm gonna wear this lipstick a lot. The only thing that I don't like about these liquid lipsticks would be that once you have something which is a bit oily, your lipstick may bleed around your lips, so you have to be really careful with it. And yes, it may dry your lips after some time, so for that reason you really need to prep up your lips with a good lip balm. In that case, I'm using this Sephora Super Nourishing Lip Balm. I love this lip balm. Like just you have to apply it once and then whole day your lip stays really soft and supple. So that's all about these liquid lipsticks. I will highly recommend it to you. It is great. These are affordable and it stays really long. So that's all. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you really like it, then please give it a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.